All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into how to actually sync your calendar with your Tesla for, that seamless scheduling while you're on the road, guys. It's a game changer for staying organized and on time. So, if you want to enable this, guys, I've actually put for you, steps outlined at the top left. You can follow along there as well. But here we also have this in the manual. So, you want to first open up the Tesla app on your phone, go to settings. Okay. First of all, ensure that your phone is actually paired to your Tesla and you're actually logged in, right? So go to the settings, okay? And you want to go into calendar sync. So go to profile, go to settings, and then find the calendar sync option. Just toggle it on and make sure your phone's calendar permissions are actually granted to the Tesla app, okay? This is very important, okay? Very, very important, right? And then, guys, so you want to navigate directly to events. So if an event has a location, what you want to do is just simply tap on it on, from the calendar on your touchscreen, and your Tesla will basically automatically set up navigation to get you there, right? And then, guys, you can actually manage which calendar gets synced in your Tesla's app settings. So if you don't want certain events to actually appear, what you can do is you can adjust the settings to only sync the calendars you actually need. And that's it, guys. Calendar sync makes your Tesla even smarter, guys. And I want you to make your Tesla smarter. Go hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get notified of the next video. So we can see you, guys, in the next video. Come on, guys, subscribe to the channel. Go smash the subscribe button. I don't want that subscribe button to be red.